Hey, little guy. Oh my gosh. Look at him. He's so thirsty.
Is he still drinking?
Yeah.
Yes. Don't you see him drinking? Oh my gosh.
Can you push it out, Dad?
So he'll just drink as
You know
long
what?
as
Go on this side of the pole. On that side of the pole. Yeah.
Got some other friends over there too waiting in line.
Come on. We'll give you some water. Wow. So sweet.
Oh, there's one right here. Right here, right here.
Oh.
Somebody's gonna fall in. There he is.
Hey, look at this one.
Worried
Wants
about
some
dropping my
water.
phone. Look, they're all getting it.
Oh,
Three of them.
Oh my gosh.
Tracy, are you getting snapped too?
Brooke, can you take my camera and get? Okay, just
They
put
are
it on your
drinking
wrist though when you're around the
together.
water.
Drinking together.
Oh
Is that
my
not the cutest thing
gosh.
I've ever seen?
I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, Tracy, can't you see him? You can't see him, Tracy.
Come on, little guy. It's okay. Need some water.
That's the coolest thing I've ever done.
Hi, guys.
No, he's dehydrated.
I'm just trying to pull it out so it'll come out more. Oh, they're going over to my dock.
They hadn't been down there.
Here, I'll do it. I was just trying to move it out to get them away so I could.
I think they're all gone back.